We'll be solving this histogram of tweets question from Twitter SQL. So it is saying that assume you are given a table, Twitter tweet data, write a query to obtain a histogram of tweets posted per user in 2022 and output the tweet count per user as the bucket and the number of tweets user who fall into this bucket. So in other words, you have to just group the users by the numbers of tweets they posted in 2022 and count the numbers of users in each group. So first of all, we'll be making a CTE. And then why we make CTE? It's just to organize the intermediate results for the query. So now we'll be selecting the specific columns. Here it's user ID. Then we'll be counting the tweet IDs. Can just copy and paste here, and then tweet count. We'll be renaming it as, let's say, tweet count per user. Now let's shift from little bit, from which table to that tweet table we are retrieving the data. Now we'll be filtering the dates, where that's tweet date between. These are like operators. So we want this 2022. So we'll just write 2022 01. This is starting from January 1st till December 31st of 2022. You can use extract function as well and date like trunc functions as well. So here it's like we have already filtered the data, which includes from January 1st to December 31st. So now as we have used the count function, so group by the user ID to calculate the count of the tweets for each user. Then we'll be closing this temporary table, and let's come to the main query. So what we have to print? So we have to print select tweet count per user. See here it's written as the bucket, so we'll be just providing the name tweet bucket, and your primary motive should be to know the syntax and the logic, the fundamental behind every step what we are doing. And now here I've selected, and then from we'll be taking the city, this one, from city, and then we have to find this number of users in each group. So count user ID as users now. Fine, now we'll be grouping the data, like here tweet count per user to get the number of users for each tweet count bucket. Alright, so let's run the code. So now you can see the tweet bucket and the user name. And that's it from my side.